In this video, I'll show you how to change your country or region on iPhone to access apps and games that aren't available in your current location. It's easier than you think. Launch the App Store app on your iPhone and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your account settings where you can manage your Apple ID details and preferences. Scroll down and tap on Country or Region. You'll see your current country displayed. Tap Change Country or Region and select your desired country from the list that appears. After selecting your new country, tap Agree to accept the terms and conditions for that region's App Store. This is required to proceed with the country change. Apple will ask for a billing address in the new country. You'll need to provide an address, phone number, and other details that match your selected region. Fill in all required fields accurately. Tap Next to save your changes. Your App Store country will now be updated to your selected region. You can verify this by checking the App Store. It should show your new country and display apps available in that region. Your iPhone App Store country is now changed and you can access region specific apps and content. Remember that some apps may require local payment methods. And that's how you change location on iPhone.